Have you ever looked at the price of a high-grade plywood and thought, there's gotta be a better way? Well, me too. That is why in this video I'm sharing a straightforward technique I use to fill nut holes in low-grade plywood using custom wood plugs. It's a method inspired by how the pros do it in factories, and it's a great way to get that premium look without that premium cost. But before that, we should know how a plywood sheet is made and where the nut holes come from. Alright, so imagine we have this cute little tree out in the forest. It got leaves and branches and all stuff like that. And then this lumberjack comes and he pops up all the leaves and cuts off all the branches. And chops down the log. And then he takes this log into a lumber mill and puts it in a lathe-like machine. That machine has a long knife that cuts veneer sheets from the log, just like that. And then we cut away a veneer sheet, and then we apply a thin layer of glue on it. Whatever. And then we make another sheet of veneer, and this time we place that veneer sheet at a 90-degree angle on top of the first sheet, just like this. So the first sheet had its grain going in this direction, while this sheet has it going in this direction. We apply another layer of glue. We take another sheet, rotate it back 90 degrees, and we place it on top of the second sheet. And we'll keep doing this until we have the desired thickness of the plywood we want to use. Eventually we end up with something that looks just like this. And then this stack of veneers is put under pressure. While we wait for that plywood piece to dry, I want to show you a little bit of the tree structure. Now this is the tree stem, and here we have a branch going up from the tree. And as you can see, it doesn't start exactly at the edge. It actually starts a little bit inside the tree itself. And that is the reason why we can see that branch layer after layer after layer that we peel off of this log. So it's dry. Alright, so here we have the finished plywood. I also took the time to not mark out all the nuts from the branches. And now you might also know why we have all these nuts. It's from the branches themselves. There we go. A finished piece of plywood. Kinda. Now the reason why these nut holes are appearing is because of the nuts popping loose, and that is mainly because they dry a lot faster and harder and shrink more than the lumber around it. And this causes them to, well, dislodge themselves from the rest of the layer. And how to fix that is what I'm gonna show you next.